Hello, welcome to Yoga TX. My name is Crystal. I don't know about y'all, but I got some weird neck tweak action going on this morning. So we are gonna work with that 10-minute morning stretch. Focus on your neck. Let's get started in a seat. So you can sit on your heels or find a cross-legged seat. Bring your hands onto your knees. And then from here, drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. We'll get right into it. And this might not be a huge movement if you woke up like I did, crick in the neck, but send the energy of your ear towards your shoulder. And then start to tilt your chin up towards the upper corner of the room or the sky, and let your jaw hang open. Take a few bites of air here. Maybe find a yawn because it's morning. Oh my gosh, it's working. And then keep your ear towards your shoulder, but tuck your chin towards your chest. And if you'd like to, I don't know what side this is. Take the side that you're leaning towards. Take that hand on top of your head. And that you use that as a gentle weight or gentle traction to assist, tucking chin towards chest. Maybe bringing ear towards shoulder. And keep your ear towards the shoulder, but hands back to your lap and tuck your chin to the center of the chest. And now, like smoothing out a piece of tape behind you from bottom to top, pull the back of your head back in space and tilt your chin or lift your chin off of your chest. So your head is back in space. Think about it stacking over your tailbone or even over your toes if you're sitting on your heels. And then inhale, shoulders up into the ears. Exhale, side them down. I'll move the other side. I don't remember what side we're on. I'll say left. If I'm mirroring you, I can't remember. But go the other way, ear towards shoulder. And then keep ear towards the shoulder, but start to tilt your chin up towards the ceiling. And find those bites of air here. Just loosen the jaw. And then ear stays towards the shoulder, but start to tuck your chin towards the chest. Maybe take that hand of the side you're leaning towards on top of your head, gentle weight. You might tuck chin to chest, using the hand as a gentle assist, and then bring ear to shoulder. Or just let it weigh on top of your head. And keep ear towards the shoulder, hands back to your lap. Tuck chin to the center of your chest. And once again, smooth out that piece of tape on the wall behind you. Tuck your chin, roll the back of your head up. All right, deep breath in. Exhale. One more inhale. Roll your shoulders up into your ears. Exhale, side them down. Plant your hands on your mat in front of you. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Now let the head bob around here a little bit. Might feel a little bit silly, but use this opportunity to let gravity assist you. So let the head feel really loose here. You can bounce chin towards the chest. Maybe think ears towards the biceps. And then find stillness. Press your hands into your mat. And then bend your knees, look forward. Take a slow stroll, forward fold at the top of the mat. And then once there, interlace your hands behind your head. Use your hands as gentle traction. So again, you might find that bobble, that bounce of the head. But now the hands can assist turning side to side here. I don't know if this makes sense. If you can see me, I'll turn this way too. Then release your hands down. Like a zombie, slowly rise up, stacking vertebrae one at a time. Let the head come up last. And hopefully you've found a little bit of relief so far. Then inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, gaze to the top edge of your mat. Exhale, plant your hands. Step back to down dog. Inhale, float your right heel high. And exhale, step forward. Find your warrior one. Reach the arms up. Hips are square to the front of the mat. From here, take your left elbow or left arm underneath the right. Find your eagle arms here. So left arm is under, right foot is forward. Opposite elbows, backs of hands, or maybe a double wrap of the arms. Right from here, keep your arms, but start to rotate your hips to the side. So we're halfway between a warrior one and a warrior two in the legs. And then take your fingertips towards the front of your mat. It might feel a little bit weird if you have the backs of the hands touching. Just reach them forward. Take your left ear to your left shoulder. So stretching the fingertips and the head away from each other. And then on your next inhale, release everything. Straighten your front leg. Reverse triangle. Look up at your right thumb. Exhale, triangle. Reach forward with the right hand. Tick-tock the arms. And here you might just let the head hang. So think right ear towards the right shoulder. If you feel like you have a little more mobility, maybe turn and look up at your left thumb. Or maybe play with both, turning your gaze down and then looking up. But listen to your body, follow what it needs. If it just needs to kind of dangle in space, let it do it. One more inhale here. And exhale, bend your front knee, plant your hands, step back to your down dog. Deep breath in. Maybe shake out the head. Long sigh out. Inhale, float your left heel high. Exhale, step between your hands. Find your warrior one stance. Reach the arms up. Exhale, right arm under the left, finding your eagle. So I'm going to grab opposite shoulders. And we'll start to dial. So you might rotate the right toes a little more towards the wide edge of your mat. So we're kind of in between that warrior one and the warrior two stance in the legs. Now, if you don't like the backs of hands or the double wrap, just let your right ear drop towards your right shoulder. If the hands are touching, send the fingertips towards the top of the mat so they point in the same direction as your front left toes. So again, think space between the fingers and the top of the head. And then unwind everything. Inhale, reverse your triangle. Reach the left hand up. Exhale, triangle. Reach the left hand forward. Tick-tock the arms. And again, find what you need here. Maybe just let the head dangle. Left ear can be heavy towards the shoulder. Find that bobblehead action. Maybe look up at your top right thumb if that feels okay. Maybe just play with tracing a line on the wall in front of you with your nose. So looking down and then a slow transfer with your eyes up. One more inhale wherever you are. And then exhale, bend your left knee, frame your front foot with your hands, step back to your down dog. Soften the knees down, send your hips towards your heels. Child's pose. And then last little offering here, bring your palms to touch, bend your elbows so your thumbs touch the back of your neck. If you have this bent elbow version, think about crawling your elbows more forward, create more space in the scapula. Feel free to stay here as long as you need. And if you are out of time and need to move on with your day, re-extend your arms and crawl yourself up to sit on your heels. Hands to your lap. Deep breath in. And sigh it out. Thank you so much for joining me here today at Yoga TX. I hope you feel a little less cricky in your neck. My name is Crystal. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my handle is It's underscore CRYST, 5 A's and an L at the end. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Namaste.